whakalofa atu makau. Just here at the Hikutavake. It's a bit rainy, 7 in the morning, but we're just gonna try and find something to eat. I'll go check out my auntie Amy, Uncle Ian, see what they're selling if they're here. Go have a look. We have Atu Mani here, Chief, whakalofa atu. Looking handsome. Look at the brother here. How's it going? We're here at a Mando store getting some raw fish. Nice. Oh, yeah, sorry. Let's get the cash.
Hit Hafu Shode this week. Sunshine inside. Beautiful day. But I'm sure everyone had a good trip. Week. The Lord's missing you. Yep. Take care.
Of your fair to get told ne mamata mai ke tau koloa e tam fata da dulgo John Eric fingit wala hia te toru mai he maanga fulfuala ko Hikutavake ai ko kioki mai whakainene ke motu ke mga nei whakaku ka tō liu ke whirewea ka munui nam toru munui ne aho ha hei tau maanga nei ni ko tau se halau tōro tau koloa tō liu ni ka tau whirewea ka hamong ai mamehi kia munuina.
Love on the job. Good to see you back in Niue and the family. Reunion. Thanks for coming support the Hikutavake show day today.
Boleh bau, saya itu kalau ngomong, itu lah Niue, umai itu kes, umai itu tengah rata, lebih. Boleh John for sini season, kita tu sini umai itu pakai ini, boleh follow ya.
Forward.
Kia ora, Father. Kia ora. What's up, bro? What's up?
Just catching up. How's life? What are you doing in Niue?
Oh wow, yeah, that's a big question. So just here with my family, pretty much with my partner and my 3 boys. We've got a couple of houses in Tuapa and Nampulu. So it's been, I think, nearly 15 years since I've been back here. So now it's amazing, man. You know, like obviously the markets, not every day, but when they're on, they're on. Look at the vibes. Solid vibes. Yeah. Just enjoying the island life, man. It's so relaxed, so untouched, you know, so rugged out in the bush. So we've had the best of both worlds, you know. We've been to Matavai and, you know, been in the pool, we've had burgers, but we've also been out in the bush, you know, planting the taro, seeing the plantation. So yeah, you know, it's so good to actually bring my boys over because they now understand, you know, what it's really like, how, you know, my mum and dad were brought up, but a lot of their aunties and uncles. So, you know, I'm originally from Auckland, but I live on the Gold Coast now, so yeah, I've just been living the Gold Coast life, you know, that's life for us now, that's home for us at the moment.
Yeah.
So coming from the Gold Coast to here, it's a massive difference, you know. But in saying that, it's beautiful, man. It's so good to come back and see family, cousins, aunties and uncles as well, who I haven't seen in like 20 years, you know. But yeah, you know, blessed for this opportunity to come and bring my kids back and my family, so that's the main thing anyways. How you been, John?
Oh, been good, man.
Yeah.
Been good. It was good to catch up with you and Jace, the boys.
Yeah, you know, the funny thing is, I seen Dad's video with you, and you know, he does the same thing. He loves educating, you know, myself and my kids and even my cousins about the way of life in Niue. You know, he's only been back for maybe a couple of years now, but he's loving it, you know. So, no, it's been awesome, brother. It's been real good. Here's my son, Cookie, come say hello. All right, John will ask you the questions.
Favorite food?
Probably the unga.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this fella's been manhandling the ungas, eh? Oh, right, he just needs to crack them open himself instead of me opening everything. But yeah, here's our little family over here, John. Come and see. Most of us are from Tuapa and Namkulu, but we're also like half our families from the Cook Islands as well. So we're very blessed to, you know, visit all the islands and that. Yeah, so Glendowie Haru, hey, let's go. Yeah, so mum's over here.
Yeah. Hey,
And
G.
then, yeah, all my little cousins.
Man, how many of you guys came?
I think there was about 35 of us all up that come over, and that's not even, you know, that's not even close to, you know, what we have at home. But again, it's a blessing to, you know, bring what we can over to see, you know, the family house, the plantation, and the way of life in Niue. So, it's been awesome, brother. Yeah.
So what's the plan? What's the plan for the rest of your stay?
So pretty much, you know, we've got family staying in Matavai as well, so we've had a couple of dinners there. We've gone to Unga Cafe, Hill. We were to Hill last night. That was an amazing experience. But tonight, I think we'll go to Matavai, have dinner with everyone, maybe get in the pool, and then Sunday, obviously go to church. I think we've got church in Nampu, church in Tuapa, and then Monday we fly out. So, it's good, man. It's good, you know, hard and fast, but man, the time's going so fast. You know what they say? You know, life's too good. It's going too fast for us, but we'll take it all in. Yeah. How about yourself, man? What's been happening with you, bro?
Just trying to learn the language, man. You know, learn the language, learn the culture.
Oh, hell yeah.
We went unga hunting last night.
Yep.
But yeah, just came to support the Hikutavake show day.
Yeah.
Yeah, see what's going on here.
That's it, eh?
Yeah.
We've been lucky enough to you know, catch the unga that comes across the road. So we've just been hop out of the car, grab one, take it home.
Yeah.
You know. But I know a couple of the other boys have actually gone into, you know, actually tracked them down. Yeah, Dad put a bit of bait out, but at the same time we've just been chasing them on the side of the road. Yeah. So too good. This is my partner Jess. Jess, come say hello. This is John. John's got a YouTube channel.
Yeah, this is for the
He's
channel.
also done a video with Dad as well. So yeah, just explaining where we're from, what we're doing here, and what's your favorite part about Niue? It's a cool question.
Yeah, that's a loaded question. I think it's such a beautiful place, but I think the people is what makes it really special. Yeah, everyone that we've met has been so kind, bringing over food all the time, hi, yeah, the natural beauty speaks for itself, so hey.
Yeah. Untouched, eh? Just so.
Yeah, the water is like crisp.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to explain it. It's so fresh and crisp.
Yeah. So. Thanks for your time, John, man. You know, love your work. Keep up the work, and we'll keep seeing you around on YouTube.
Yeah, man. Bro. So
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man.
Thank you.
Oh, bro. Thanks, bro.
All good.
Hi, Auntie.
Hey, Jeremiah. We have Jeremiah here. Going to tell us a little bit about the life in Niue.
The life in Niue. It's about the next generation. If my son grows up to have kids of his own in New Zealand and never comes to Niue, then Niue is just a name. So we make a decision to bring our family here, to connect to our family here, and
We'll see where the future takes us. But it's definitely the life.
Yeah. So what made you move to Niue, bro?
Lots of things, really. I can't speak my language. There's a bit of a distance, a disconnect. So
yeah, coming here, I'm in search of that. I'm in search of all those things that, to put them back inside myself.
Any advice for people planning to come to Niue, bro, or trying to make the move like what you've done?
I'd say, come, experience Niue. If you like the thrill of jumping off cliffs, then Niue is for you. Because it's like a big cliff jump. The life that we left behind to the life that we're living now. I mean, you don't realize until you get here the way we treat food in NZ is way different to how food is, how we eat food now, how we appreciate food. That's just one of the many things that we've discovered here in Niue.
Yeah. Bro, your eating habits have changed now since you've been here.
Yeah. We're a lot more appreciative of what we're eating. We're a lot more, what's the word? Aware. So you can definitely see from when you put it in your mouth to preparing it, when you prepare it to when you put it in your mouth, you can see the definite changes that it has, definite effect on your face. Niue is quite physical. Never a moment where you can just have a nice relax. So it's definitely changed our relationship habits. So we don't buy processed as much. We make things from scratch. That's a bit of an ordeal sometimes. But it's awesome.
Do you think the life here is easier or harder than living in New Zealand? What's the differences in the life here to the life in New Zealand?
I'd say in New Zealand, you're running at a different speed. And you're part of a system that definitely captivates you. Here in Niue, the freedom is almost, like silence is deafening, the freedom is like vast. To the point where kind of like you're yelling into a vacuum, that kind of thing. As for direction, sometimes it may be a little bit hard to find that direction. But I think what sums Niue out for me is perseverance. To persevere, to be who we are. To acknowledge myself, my people, to our people, and to see a side of who I am that I've never seen before. And that only happens from being here in Niue. It's been an amazing kind of like journey. It's probably the best way I can put it. Just to see my son develop, my family develop. In a way that's it's almost like yesteryear kind of living compared to where everybody's going today. Like you go to NZ, it's really impersonal. People are just set about their own tasks. But here, everybody knows you. And you feel like one big family.
Sure. So do you feel like you're moving more Niue culture, or like you've let go a lot of the Niue thinking, New Zealand thinking since you moved over?
I would say it's been a time of letting go. When you're climbing a rock and Niue is that next hand grip. And this one feels really comfortable. And to get that one, you gotta jump. That's what I've been experiencing with Niue. Like the experiences are literally palpable. That you have to make those real uncomfortable leaps. It sometimes feels like you're all on your own until you're not, and then you find out everybody's behind you. Just like you're like, why didn't you help me?
Right. Any last words for people that might want to come that they might not expect, when they get here? Like what to be prepared for when they get here if they're planning to make the move?
I'd say whatever preconceived ideas that we have in ourselves. I think having an open heart, where you are and where you want to be. Those are the things that help you align your course. To be respectful here is it's another level from what I've understood respect to be in NZ. So understanding those little nuances and kind of moving with them rather than against them. Because at the end of the day, it all, once you see it, it all kind of builds you up. So I'd say that, just come with an open heart and don't worry about the stories, about the things that people say. Niue is here for your experience and, guided by humility, I guess. Great places.
Oh, bro. Thanks for the on-the-spot interview. You put on the spot, bro. But I think all the information you've shared, bro, will be helpful for the people thinking of doing what you've done, bro. Yeah, man. Okay. Thank you, man. Thanks, Jeremiah, man. We'll probably see you on my top next time.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.